1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some examples of using at, on, and in for places. At is used for school, home, or work. We can also use at for the airport, train station, or bus stop. For example, we waited at the bus stop for 15 minutes. On is used for bikes, buses, trains, planes, and ships. We also use on for surfaces like the floor, a table, a shelf, the roof, and the wall. For example, I am the only person on the train. In is used for countries, cities, rooms, buildings, and closed spaces like a car, a garden, or a park. For example, there is a cat in the living room. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.